Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Escalade ESV. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, remote engine start. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, heated steering wheel, audio, rear, audio headphone jacks, rear, cruise control, trip computer, front and rear power outlets, child safety locks, audio auxiliary input, compact flash card, power windows. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.